Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TechTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chocolatey on Windows 10. So, if you do not have Chocolatey installed on your system, you can check Chocolatey by just running this command either on PowerShell or on command prompt. So this means you have Chocolatey installed if this command is recognized. If you don't have, go ahead and launch your preferred browser and go to chocolatey.org and click on install now. Launch your PowerShell with admin rights and run these commands. So this is for Windows 7 and above, anything Windows 7 and above, and you simply have to run this command first to check if you have policies restricted, or so all signed policies. You need to have all signed. If you do not have, go ahead and run this command. Just select and copy and run this command with admin right with your PowerShell, and you're done. You just have to say yes and it's done. Now you want to check it again. Now it should say all signed. Now to install Chocolatey, you simply have to copy this following command and run it with the admin right, and this will go ahead and install Chocolatey. So since I already have installed on my system, it's not going to take a long time. Now we will go ahead and install the Python. So I'm going to clear the screen, and to install any package with Chocolatey, you need to run PowerShell or command prompt with admin right and check the availability. To check the availability of the package, you simply say choco list Python. In this case it's Python. Now it's going to tell you the number of the packages found. So it has 144 packages for Python. We are looking for the vanilla Python, so we'll go ahead and install this one. This is 64-bit. In case if you're looking for 32-bit, you will have to say choco install and the complete name. So anything that you're going to install should not have marked with possibly broken flag.